Welcome viewer. This video tutorial describes, fix an operating system wasn't found. Try disconnecting any drives that don't contain an operating system. Boot with bootable CD or USB. Click Command Prompt. Type BCDedit. Find your boot drive and Windows installed drive. In my case, boot drive is C and Windows installed drive is F. Type disk part. Type list disk. No star under GPT indicates the system partition type is MBR. Type select disk 0. Type list volume, select your system volume. In my case, system volume is 1. Type format space, fs equal to ntfs. Run 2 commands, assign and active. Type assign letter equal to P. Type BCD boot space, Windows installed drive letter colon / Windows space, /s space, assigned drive letter colon space, /f space, BIOS. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.